Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Yeah, I said I was gonna make more videos, but guess what? My life's a fucking mess, so I didn't have time for that. Anyway, this is a video I've been wanting to make since I got it, which is like nearly a month ago now. So I'm so sorry for the delay, but I have tried it because I couldn't wait. I just didn't feel like filming it because of what I just said, my life's a mess. But yeah, anyway, so the brand PUDAIER messaged me and they wanted to give me some gifts to try it out, review it, make obviously some advertising of it. So that's what happened. I got a lot of things, but the only thing I'm going to review today is the Fisher Scale HD palette, Give It To Me Straight. And it looks like this. So as you can see, yeah, I know, they're quite good. They're beautiful colors. So let me just quickly get rid of my eyeliner and lipstick. I'm not going to do my whole foundation thing again, so I've done that. Gonna keep it that way, and we're just going to do an eye look. So if you want to see how to create or use this palette or review it or see how pigmented it is, keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do, like always, is cover our eyes with some concealer. The concealer I'm going to use is the one from Makeup Revolution, Conceal and Define, in the shade C2. The first color we're going to go for is, I think it's called Naivety, and we're going to just go all over it, like over our crease. Then we're going in with Seaweed. Same place, back over the crease to make it a bit darker. Then we're going to take a bit of concealer and we're going to put a little bit on our eye and tap it in. Then we're going to go in with Say Hello. That's it for the eye color. Now we're going to take just like a black pencil or something. Mine's from L'Oreal. And we're going to go draw a line over our eye. Now we're going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to dip it into Seaweed again. And I'm going to go over it and blend it out a little bit. Then if you want, you can also take like a smaller brush again and go in with the colors you just used under your eye. Just like that. So I'm going to do my other eye off camera quick, and then we're going to add some mascara lashes when we're done. Okay, my second eye is done also. I do have to say with the glitters, so the ones I just used on my eye, that it is much better if you do it with your hand. It doesn't really stick on a brush, so if you do it with your finger, that's much better. Okay. Just going to put some mascara on, and I'm using the Lash Princess mascara from Essence, the Sculpted Volume Mascara. I always get my lashes from Q, and this one is A15. Lashes done, okay. The only thing that's left to do now is basically some highlighter, but that's just, I've done my face, like I said, so I just need to do some, well, probably gonna do some extra on my face too, because you ain't seen shit. But I'm just gonna do some extras in the corner of my eye, under my eyebrow, and shit like that. Okay, I look a lot more goth than I thought I was. Okay, we are done. So I know I haven't used like a lot of them, like literally 3. But I do feel like the just the matte eyeshadows are very pigmented. Like, I mean, look at it. But I do feel like the shimmery ones are like not easy to apply. But like I said, if you do it with your finger, it's much easier to apply. But with the brush, it just spills everywhere, as you can see. But they are really nice though, so Maybe there's another brush I need to use for it, or just my fingers. I do like them. Like, look at the colors. I wish I was better with like knowing what color to put with what, because I feel like everything fits together unless I do it, because then it doesn't. Anyway, so all that. Halloween is coming very soon, and this time, like, honestly, I'm really planning on doing more makeup videos, like, for real. If life just wants to stop fucking me over so I can actually do something with my life. But yeah, I'm really planning on doing a lot of like makeup Halloween videos, because I have been finding a lot of pleasure into doing Halloween looks again. Like, I know it's very early, and I thought to myself, like, should I not wait until it's more October, because some people obviously are going to engage more with that kind of content. But I was like, fuck it, no, I'm really into it, I'm going to just post it now. So hopefully I don't run out of ideas before it's actually October. But here's a little preview of my Instagram, so you can see there's a lot of like bloody Halloween sort of shit. Anyway, that was the video. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. If you recreate my look, definitely, and you're gonna post it on social media or something, don't forget to tag me so I can see it and repost you. It's @theZeuser and an _. So definitely don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to see all the looks. So definitely put more looks on there than I do here. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see Halloween looks, because I promise I am gonna film. Please. Yeah, and besides that, thanks for watching again, if you're still here, and see you in my next video. Bye!